Good evening everyone. I am Hashanna Nayakara. I couldn't complete last video fully, so I thought of taking a part 2 session on formula. Okay, so formula, our part 2 is a combination of two sums and substitution. Okay, first we'll come up with the sum. Okay, first sum is this. This is little advanced. There is a fixed charge of 115 rupees in the monthly electricity bill of a certain city. Apart from this, households that consume less than 100 units per 100 units of electricity per month have to pay an additional amount of 10 rupees per unit consumed. If the monthly electricity bill of a consumer who uses simple P units. Simple units means less than 100 units. P units means in figures it is less than 100 units. Less than 100 means it should be something which is less to 100. Less than 100. Might be 90, might be 80, might be 50, might be 10. Less than 100. During a month is capital P rupees Construct a formula. Okay, there's a fixed charge. Fixed charge is 115 rupees. Okay, so if the electricity bill for the month, total electricity bill of the month is capital P, 115 rupees is included in this particular total bill. Plus, it is also said apart from this, households that consume less than 100 units of electricity per month have to pay an additional amount of 10. Okay, less than 100. If the number of units are less than 100, that means per each unit, which are less than 100 per each unit, he has to pay 10 rupees. So for a unit 10 means, for P such unit means 10 times P. 10 times P means 10P. Okay, 10 times P means 10P. So actually P is less than 100. So less than 100 means we can apply 10 additional amount of 10 per each unit up to P, which is less than 100. So 10 times P means 10P, 10P plus 115 is the answer for the total electricity bill. Let me give you another example. Next time. A machine produces capital N packets during the first hour. Every hour thereafter, it produces N packets, simple N packets. If capital T packets, another story. If capital T packets are produced in simple T hours, construct a formula for T in terms of N, capital N and T. Okay, a machine produces capital N packets during the first hour. Every hour thereafter it produces simple N packets. If capital T packets are produced in T hours, construct a formula for capital T in terms of simple N, capital N and T. There are a couple of theories here. It is said for the first hour, a machine produces n packets. Okay, and for next it is said every hour thereafter it produces n packet. So second hour it produces n packet. Third hour also n packets. Fourth hour also it is n packets. Likewise it continues. And this also said if t packets are produced in t hours. Okay, suppose from here to total hours that produces total the number of these packets were in t hours, simple t hours. It took simple t hours to produce capital T packets. Okay, so so from here to for t hours it took to prepare capital T packets. Okay, so first hour it is capital N. For t hours it is capital T. So without the first hour, the rest of the hours it took n packets each hour. Okay, it's like a rate. N packet each hour after the first until it becomes t hours. Okay, so from first hour to t hours, the remaining amount is t minus 1. Okay. Okay, so this is equal to t minus 1 hours. Okay, first hour it is capital N, second hour, third hour, fourth hour. So every other hour n packets were prepared, simple n packets were prepared. And also it is said the total number of hours means t, and during that time capital T packets were prepared. Okay, so capital T packets within t hours means is equal to capital N packets. First hour they prepared n packets. Thereafter every hour they prepare n packets each hour. So second hour it is n, third hour it is n, fourth hour it is n. Likewise up to here, up to t hour, capital T hour, it continuously prepare n packets. But unfortunately first hour it is capital N. So without the first hour we have to add. First hour capital N means rest of the hours means t minus 1 hours. Without the first hour, altogether capital T hours. So altogether capital T hours, but without the first hour means t minus 1 hours. So every hour so far up to t minus 1 hours, they continuously produce n packets. Second, third, fourth, fifth, and t minus 1 hour also. T hour also it is n packets were prepared. So here the answer is capital N plus simple N, capital N plus simple N times t minus 1 times t minus 1. 1 hour it is n means t minus hours means n times t minus 1. So the answer here is capital T equals n plus simple N t minus 1. Okay, I am in trouble at the moment without having proper markers. So I thought of putting an end to this session as well. Okay, let me explain it again. A machine produces capital N packets during first hour. First hour it is capital N packets. Every hour thereafter, that means second hour, third hour, fourth hour, continuously up to capital T hour, it continuously produces N packets. during total T hours, it is said capital T packets were produced. So during simple T hours, capital T packets means also we can write capital T packets in terms of simple N, capital N and T. And you know, first hour the number of packets is capital N. After the first hour, the next time is T minus 1. Total time is T means without the first hour it is T minus 1. During this T minus 1 hours, continuously N packets were being prepared. 1 hour N, next hour another N, likewise. For T minus 1 hours, it is N times T minus 1. So the answer here is capital T equals N packets plus simple N times T minus 1 packets. That's it for the session. Good. Have a nice day.